Man weighing 80 kg is standing in a trolley of weighing 320 kg. The trolley is resting on a frictionless horizontal rails. If the man starts walking on the trolley with the speed of 1 meter per second, so then after the 4 second, his displacement relative to the ground. So what is the displacement?
Okay, hi dear students. 1 to 3rd problems already solved in the last class. Okay, the fourth one, it is a try to visualize the situation. This is the trolley. The man is standing on the trolley. The mass of the man is 80 kg. Then the mass of the trolley is 320 kg. Okay, the man starts running. Okay, with the speed of 1 meter per second. Okay, so then with the time 4 seconds, how much it is a displacement is covered from the man. So the trolley is in this direction, the man is moving along in this direction. Okay, so this is the concept is what? The momentum of the trolley in backward direction, the momentum of the man is forward direction. Okay, so that is a momentum because it is a mass velocity moving. Momentum of man forward direction is equal to momentum of the system in backward direction. Okay, that is the momentum of the man forward. Momentum, the product of what? Mass velocity. This is a linear conservation of momentum. That is this law is obeyed. Okay, so that is a mass of the, because you have in this how much displacement is covered in 4 seconds means we know that is a velocity is equal to displacement by time. Time is given, but in this problem don't know about the relative velocity of the man with respect to ground. So the relative velocity of man with respect to ground, before you have to calculate, first you have to calculate the velocity or speed of the trolley. We don't know. Only speed of the person is given, but the speed of the trolley is not given. Okay, first you have to calculate speed of the trolley by using the law of conservation of linear momentum. So that formula. Okay. So that is the mass of the person, speed of the person is equal to mass of the trolley, speed of the trolley. So that is the speed of the trolley is equal to how much? That is the mass of the person, speed of the person divided by mass of the trolley. Then, so mass of the person is 80 kg. Then into mass of the speed of the person is 1 divided by mass of the trolley is 320 kg. Okay, the final answer 0 get cancelled. The speed of the trolley is equal to, so that is 1 by 4, that is equal to 0.2 meter per second. Okay, this is the speed of the trolley is found. So then the relative velocity of the ground with respect to the person. The relative velocity of the trolley with respect to the ground is 0. So directly have to relative velocity of the person with respect to the ground is equal to what? So that is a speed of the person minus the speed of the trolley or ground. You directly take the ground, this one. So because this is the speed of the ground. So then person speed is 1, 0.2, so that is equal to 0.8 meter per second. So we know that is a speed is equal to displacement by time. What you displacement? How much displacement covered in time? 4 seconds. So that is the displacement is equal to relative speed of the ground with respect to person into t. So that is equal to answer is 0.8 into 4. So that is equal to displacement is how much? 0.8 into 4. So that is a 3.2 meter. So the answer for this question is 3.2 meter. That is a option. Third option is a correct answer, or option C is a correct answer.
A machine gun is mounted 2000 kg car on a horizontal frictionless surface. At some instant, the gun fires bullet of mass 10 gram with velocity 500 meter per second with respect to the car. The number of bullets fired per second is 10. The average.
Okay. So dear students, let's move to the next fifth one question. So try to visualize the situation. This is the car, it is the gun. The mass of the car is provided, then the mass of the bullet is given, then mass, that is the speed of the bullet is 500. You have to calculate thrust. So thrust formula is known, that is a thrust is equal to m. So that is it is V. So V dm divided by dt. So then that is a speed. The speed of the bullet is given, that is a 500 into then the mass. The mass of the bullet is gram. It is converted into the kg. So 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into. So then the number of bullets fired per second is 10. So this is the mass of the bullet into the number of bullets fired per second. So that is answer for this question. 10 10 10 square minus 3, that is a 50 Newton. This is the answer for this question. So in the option, that is a B, or second one is the option. Okay. So let's move to the next question.
A block metal weighing 2 kg is resting on a frictionless plane. It is struck by the jet releasing water rate. So water rate 1 kg per second at the speed of 5 meter per second. The initial acceleration. So that is A is equal to question.
Okay. So next question, dear students. Sixth question. Try to analyze the situation. This is the metal block. The mass of the metal block is 2 kg. So the water jet, it is the speed is 5 meter and it is the struck, and mass, the rate of change of mass is 1 kg meter per second. You have to, in this numerical, what is the acceleration? This is a question mark. We know that according to the Newton's second law of motion, that is F is equal to m into A. So that is A, in this it is the rate of change of mass is given. By using the rate of change of mass and speed, you have to calculate the thrust. That is a thrust is equal to, it is a force on this numerical. So that means it is a thrust is equal to, so that is a thrust is equal to what? V dm by dt. So then that means nothing but a force. So that is equal to, V is given 5 into dm by dt is 1 kg meter per second. This is a 5 answer. So we know that F is equal to m into A. So then A is equal to F by m. So then that is equal to F is 5 divided by, it is Newton, 5 divided by, so mass is how much? 2 kg is given. That is acceleration is equal to 2 to 4.5. So that is a meter per what? Second square. So this is the answer for this question. So in the option that is A is the correct answer, or first one is the correct answer.